Yes, my viewers and my subscriber, welcome back to another upload. Right now, me have to talk about the one, RIP 41 busshead. My condolence to your family. And I also have a lot more things to talk about. How Karate George get rough up by some young boy police. And them I use peer badness. I have that video to show you guys also. But first, I want to start with 41 busshead and what I think. As I said, people, my whole thoughts on the situation is that 41 busshead was being trailed and he was being watched. Okay, because if he went up to the hair salon to get his hair done, why couldn't they go up there and do what they need to do to him? They could not, because there would have been a lot of witness and there would have been a lot of stairs to come down. So they wait on him to come down. That's my thought. Because where 41 busshead dead is not far away from Shamshark Square, where you can see the statue and also the big Christmas tree. You understand? And also, if I lie, me I tell people who can leave a comment in the comment section. I most appreciate everybody and them comment. You see me? Because everybody have to voice them own opinion. You see me? But I know beer. You see me? So it's part busshead car park people. A lot of people do not walk on that street in night, where even Barn and crew are mobile. Enough of them no walk on the street at night where busshead car park. Where busshead lose him life, a lot of people do not walk around them street there because only garrison people walk on them street there because them street they have less light. You get me I say? Yeah, be a vendor around there, them sell clothes, barber shop, bar around there and everything. Cause as I say, you know, alright, in a Shamshark Square, there's a tree, you have to just call and say, yo, a couple building a block, the Christmas tree, and the Shamshark statue. I tell you, and it really sad. If you see another young youth lose him life in a mobile, in a crime and violence, and as enough people are saying, there's a TikTok, and you know, me can't judge him, you know, because I don't know nothing about him, you know, me only see him on TikTok also. You get me, I say? So, you, the viewers and subscribers, can leave full opinion in the comment section, you see me? And also, the people have to stop from blame Jamal Dunsman, because Jamal Dunsman and 141 busshead are friend them. They get me? So, because Jamal are artists, I go say Jamal have something to do with him. If you stop calling the artists them as a try to rise, you see me? And a friend me are looking about the artists are trying to rise and the artists are doing thing. The artists are shine right now. So it come like a police who no one put on the artist again after where the artist been a got you. You see me? And that me have to say about 41 busshead case, people. So when you can leave with an honest opinion, when you think about that. Now we're going to jump into Karate George. This man face want to sip on it, scream right now. He's a very dangerous police. You get me? Don't play at this policeman. This policeman not itchy button boy skin. Once you're a criminal, you do criminal work. Once him see you, him not pass. Also, this man is very respected in a mobile too by a lot of law enforcement and business people and also vendors. You see me? Also, street youths in the street and mobile know Karate George operate. And also, mobile people need police like Karate George down there because, I tell you, the man is an undercover police. Fear by enough gunman, we are do things in a day. You see me? Yeah, them a do things. So we make Karate George explain what really take place with him and the boy them in a blue. Because them deal with him like a little boy, you know. You see me? And when him a tell them, say, yo, I'm a police, like they don't respect him, they don't care. You get me?
I instructed the men that they are to go on St. James Street, the fact that their truck didn't arrive on time. However, I was driving my private vehicle along St. James Street about some minutes after 8, going to 9. I saw a vendor. He was displaying some clothing on the wall of Little Pizza, Little Caesar. So I instructed him to have them removed. In the same breath, I was in the car, put on my 4-way flasher, officially on the job. I saw 2 police came. One came on the driver's side, said to me that I'm to pull over. So I was calling him to let him know that I am on the job. I work at the municipal corporation I told him of my identity and everything. He said I'm to pull over and exit the car. So I was there still explaining to the police what had transpired with the vendor. He insists that I'm to get out of the car, and he was talking to me in a derogatory way. So I said to the officer, I said, officer, you can't be talking to me like this. I said, matter of fact, there are some police further down the road. I'm going down there to talk to them. So I drove away, stopped where the second set of police were, exited my car, and I was explaining the situation. The two officers that stopped me earlier came down with handcuffing and said they're going to arrest me.
Yes, people. So I'm going to watch the video. Respect to It's a Blast for the feeds. And then after that, you guys can leave your comment in the comment section what you think wrong with these cops today. Yes, people, as I say, you can leave with the others comment, you see me, in the comment section, because I can't understand why I go on as because if the man tell me say him a police and the man have him gun in him pocket, people. Yeah, man, the man have him gun in him pocket right there, so while I talk to the police him. So then not see that. If you say yes, him have a gun in him pocket. You can't see the magazine hang out in him pocket. I want to still want to lock up the man. The police they want to look at angry guilt trip. You see me, they're young and them feel like children they are mobby, and them are mobby police, Freeport police, them can do anything and get away with it. You see me, even though the man I tell them, boy, I mean I tell a life hard sometimes, but respect to everyone who is watching the video, who subscribe, much appreciate it. Until next time, I'm out.